This tutorial is about launching products into the international market environment. If you have been assigned by the administrator name and password to participate on a product launch, then actually I think you have to type in your name or password or use the single sign-on facility of Google Apps and actually log in. If you log in into strategicfrontend.com, the global enterprise management system, you see the assigned functionality, especially to your workplace. Out of a suite of 16 modules, we will look closer to the product launch application of the management system. So we click on the icon of product launch and you will see the product launch initiatives which are assigned to you. If you click on it, you will see, that all the details, the name, and also I think the segmentation where this product is actually positioned in the corporate kind of activity queue, which sector, which region, and which product category. Also, you see the teams, which are responsible, the team members which are responsible for carrying out the product launch in the different kind of roles and functions. So if you have to edit, then you have to click here on the right hand side on edit, and then actually I think you are able to change things, for instance, or like regions or the description, whatever, and then save it. This is actually, I think, the whole thing. If you create a new kind of initiative, then you have on the first menu to click on initiative and then on information in order actually I think to create a completely new one. On the team side, you can always add team members. So out of the people who are participating on the management platform, like this one, and you can assign 4 different roles: the role of a project manager, the role of a project monitor, then a task monitor or a task manager. So for instance, we assign the role of monitoring task, and then actually I think you say create, and then you will also be asked which task which had been assigned to carrying out the product launch will this monitor be responsible or allowed to monitor. Is it a final regulatory quality release, the market and portfolio review, and maybe the product insurance plan and safety? So then you have to assign to the task monitor exactly the task he is allowed to do. This also, I think, a very important functionality in structuring this kind of projects. So this is setting up the initiative in the team. On the task side, you can always add new task if you want, like to discuss name, message, start date, and end date. And you will always get a suggestion what the standard task will be in introducing and launching a product. The next functionality on this application is you can monitor the situation. So you see number one, marketing portfolio review task. Performance manager is responsible. He also added a comment, I will complete the review tomorrow, and you can always look on his side to find out what he has done already. Also a very important functionality for the leader of the product launch to have instant transparency about the status of the different tasks of the project. Also, I think an important functionality on the task is the combination of the task actually with the task user. You see the task manager who are responsible managing the task. Actually, as the first guy is responsible managing activities. You can also change things, and the other is the monitor of certain task which we have seen assigned to. Also, you can upload documents and connect these documents to Google Apps if you want. Also, I think a very powerful kind of documentation management system, especially if you have to look, on a very structured documentation of product launching. On this side, you see you can here delete the task. Here you can copy the task to a new project. Here you can edit, and this is actually, I think, create a Google Calendar event. So if you say this is actually, I think, the date, March 23rd, 24th, then you push this icon, click this icon, then you get the message successful created calendar events. And if you look at your Google calendar, then actually I think you will see that this kind of event was added, and you can now on the Google application do all the nice things what the calendar functionality embeds, and so you got really a great overview with the calendar about the activities of the product launch. You can also export the tasks and the project plan, for instance, to a Google document if you want, so that you can so that you are highly flexible in exchanging data of this product launch initiative to other systems as well. So this had been a short overview how easy it is to manage a product launch project, and this is actually, I think, the overview how to do it.